Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see an easy to make delicious melt in mouth sweet Kachagolla. This is a Bengali sweet made with milk. For the recipe I am going to take 1 liter of milk. Bring this to a boil. The milk has started boiling. To this add the juice of half a lemon. Give a nice mix and wait for the curds to get separated. So here you can see that the curds has got separated. We are going to collect the curd by using a cloth. To avoid the sour taste of the lemon, we have to rinse this with water. We have to drain the water completely, so hang this for an hour in some place. This is after an hour. We have got a solid paneer, that is cottage cheese. Let us crumble this. Now let us divide this equally. Transfer 1/2 into another plate. We are going to use this later. To the other half, add a tablespoon of sugar and give a nice mash. You have to mash this and make it soft. You can see that this has turned very soft now. This has turned like a soft dough now. Let us transfer this into a pan. Crumble this again. To this add a big pinch of cardamom powder and a 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Switch on the stove and start stirring this. No lumps should be formed. You have to give a nice stir. So here everything got mixed well and turned creamy. You have to stir this continuously to get a thick mixture. Finally it has to be thick like this. Now take the other half. This second half will be little hard with no sugar. We are going to mix the first half and the second half. The one we mixed with condensed milk will be super soft. Mixing these two will get a nice texture. Finally it will be like this. Now take some milk powder in a plate. Spread this evenly. Now take the cheese mixture and make small balls out of it. The balls are ready. We are going to coat this with milk powder. So here our Bengali Kachagolla is ready. It will be super soft and very delicious. Do give a try. This will taste so good. Next let us see Malai Laddu. For this, first take a pinch of saffron. Pour a little warm water and leave this. We are going to use this later. Take a pan, add 1 liter of milk. Bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add juice of half a lemon. The curds got separated. Let us filter this and collect the curds. The lemon juice which we have added will give sour taste. In order to avoid this, we have to clean this with water at least twice. The water has to get drained, so hang this for about an hour. After an hour, you'll get nice thick paneer, that is cottage cheese. Now let us knead this and make it soft. Mash this well. You can use your hand or you can use a potato masher like this. Now this is soft. Take a pan, add half a liter of milk into this. Bring it to a boil. Reduce the milk to half of its quantity and add a quarter cup of sugar. Give a nice stir, the sugar should completely melt. To this add the mashed paneer. Stir this and cook until it becomes thick. This is the consistency. Once you attain this consistency, allow it to cool down a little bit. Once the heat is bearable, you can make balls out of it. Apply some ghee on your hands and then start making small balls. The balls are ready. Now we are going to put the saffron and pour the saffron water over the balls. So here our Malai Laddu is ready. This will taste so good. Do give a try. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and do. Next let us see coconut milk laddu. This will melt in your mouth and will taste so good. For the recipe, take a quarter cup of scraped coconut and dry roast it. You have to roast this until the moisture is completely gone. Finally, it has to be like this. Allow it to cool down. This is going to be our substitute for desiccated coconut. If you have desiccated coconut, you can use that. So our desiccated coconut is ready. Set this aside. Take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of ghee in it. To this add 2 cups of scraped coconut. Saute this for about 4 to 5 minutes. To this add 1.5 cups of milk. Stir this and cook well until it becomes thick. Once it is thick, you can add a 3/4 cup of sugar. Let the sugar melts completely. The sugar got melted. Now this has to turn thick. To this let us add a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. The final consistency has to be like this. Let this cool down a little bit until the heat is bearable. Once the heat is bearable, you can make small balls out of this. Here the laddus are ready. Now we are going to coat this with the desiccated coconut. Coconut milk laddus will be very soft. This is very easy to do and worth a try. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.